How to fix Messenger not sending photos. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Messenger not sending photos problem. The first thing you want to do is restart your device. Go ahead and select restart. After a couple of minutes, again switch on your phone and check if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Here you want to select apps. Now find the option of Messenger, select that. Now tap on Force Stop, tap on OK. After that, select Storage. Here select Clear Cache. Once that is done, head back. Now select Permissions. Here ensure that Files and Media permission is given over here. Then head back. Now you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Here you want to look for Messenger. If you find the update option, select that and update the app to the latest version. In this way, you will be able to fix the Messenger not sending photos error, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.